Hey, welcome to the DigiTavern. This is Databotz. Today I thought I'd bring you a random unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing the Soundrise Pro-5 speaker stands. These are speaker stands from Soundrise company out in Los Angeles, I believe. That they make these stands out of cast aluminum, I believe, and then they powder coat them with a few colors. These that I have are the newest ones that they offer. They are smaller than the original ones that they offer. These are 5-inch speaker stands. By that I mean they raise your speaker off the table 5 inches. I think the original ones lifted it about 9 inches off the table. I don't have big speakers, so I preferred these little ones. I was actually on the website to buy the original ones when I saw that these were on pre-order. So I went ahead and bought these instead. A little bit of difference between these and the original. There's a lip in the back. The original has a lip in the front of where the speaker would be on. It's got little L-shaped rubber feet. I kind of prefer these to the clear rubber feet that come with the original. I do like that the lip's in the back, so in case my speaker wants to vibrate off, it doesn't have anywhere to go, since these are kind of angled with a little bit of a slant to point that tweeter right at your face. A little bit about these speakers. This is straight off the website. These studio monitor stands are designed to eliminate unwanted resonance and absorb vibration between your desk and the speaker, which provides more accurate bass and tweeter clarity. Right here, I'm just kind of showing off the what's in the little envelope. Yes, it does come with a sticker and a discount code. You can skip this. Here's the speaker stand again. Another difference. This has a kind of like a L-shaped cutout instead of a round circle cutout in the back for your cables to go through, in case you want to put something like an amp or a DAC underneath the speaker. Personally, I don't want to put much underneath. I just kind of want them off the table, just to get a little bit of floating speaker kind of vibe going. Now, let me show you the how they look once they're fully set up. I mean, there's not much to do. You just put the speaker on top. I do have the Klipsch R41 powered monitors. Perfect size, I believe, for these smaller speaker stands, since they're not relatively big speakers. Yeah, I mean, they look great. It does what it's supposed to do. I don't have a full review of how they sound, if they do improve the sound yet, but I will post it in the description maybe in about a month if I think these are worth your money. Yeah, thank you.